Hello all. Welcome back to Shib. The price of the Shiba Vic is about to double tonight. Big news: cryptocurrencies are becoming more popular and accepted, and new coins and tokens like Shiba Inu and Shibarium are popping up all the time. Shibarium is a new L2 blockchain network for Shiba Inus that will be built on Ethereum. It will turn Shiba Inu from a joke-based currency into a full-fledged community. This video is about how the price of a Fina Shiba is about to double tonight. It's a big deal. Don't forget to swipe your thumb up. Share and subscribe to the channel to see our latest Shiba price predictions and expert research. Let's start the video right away. Shiba Inu has become an important meme coin, and its market price puts it in the top 20 cryptocurrency list. Shib is developed and worked on by a team that has kept a steady pace. People have heard a lot about the goals and milestones the Shib ecosystem has reached. Binance announced on April 18 that Shiba Inu will be moved out of the innovation zone. This was one of the last major events. According to a recent announcement, the largest cryptocurrency exchange has decided to take Shiba Inu and other tokens out of the innovation zone. These tokens include Frax Share, Trust, Wallet Token, and 1inch. In a statement released on April 18, Binance said that the innovation zone was created so that Binance users can trade new and interesting projects in a safe place. Some of these projects may have shown themselves to be worthy of work and live up to the high standards we have come to expect. Binance said that after carefully reviewing Shib and these other tokens, the exchange chose to move them out of the innovation zone. Shib reached this goal after being reviewed by Binance based on a number of factors. So someone made a script that allows millions of wallets to be created simultaneously. This was done to confirm PuppyNet testing of the network. The number of wallets hosted on the Shiba network in Shibarium beta continues to rise, leaving people wondering the reason for the rapid rise. Recent news reports indicate that a script has been created to create millions of wallets to test the strength of the network under stress. In a recent tweet, this was said by a member of the Shib Pixel Pups team, an NFT project based on Shiba Inus. The person said he wrote a text that amounted to more than 9.5 million wallets on PuppyNet and over 3 million transactions on the beta network. The team member went on to say that they are also responsible for making 1,620 tokens on the test network. Some of the puppy skin tokens are Shib Pixel Pups, DAO, SPDAO, SYL, and Shib Pixel Pups Token Spy. Block Explorer for PuppyNet shows that the network has a staggering 13.3 million wallet addresses and has processed over 3.47 million transactions to date. Remember, the number of wallets jumped by 86 in just 2 days, reaching more than 5 million. This huge jump occurred because of this scenario. The goal of a testnet is to give interested parties an opportunity to try out the network in different ways to see how well it works and how reliable it is before it is deployed on the mainnet. Satoshi Kusama has said many times that the Shi list is running all the activities, tokens and transactions that appear on the testnet and are fake and only for testing. Creating a tool that can generate millions of wallets on the testnet is a good idea because it can help test the scalability and speed of the blockchain. It can also help find any errors or problems that may occur during the process. The story writer said stress testing a network is important to see how reliable it is. They wanted to see how well the network could handle busy times like games and airdrops. They also said it will run an airdrop script and other tests to check network transaction speed, reliability, quality, and other features. As of now, no bugs have been logged in the month of March. Gray burn really stood out. In March, 6.78 billion Shib tokens were burned in 540 transactions. This was a big jump from previous months, both in terms of the number of graying kills and the number of deals. Since October 2022, when 9.5 billion chips were burned in 2,433 deals, this burning in March was the largest since then. Yesterday, the Shib burn tracker said more than 34.92 million Shiba had been burned in 3 transactions, 25.31 million of which coming from a single bank. This massive transaction came from a Coinbase 10 wallet, which sent 25,313,997 Shib to the copy address in a single transaction. And the total burn rate went up by 293 million chips, which is 1,108 because of this deal. The futures market is another sign that the trend is going up. Shiba Inu has been getting more attention since the beginning of March. The metric is the number of open positions and contracts that buyers have. According to data from Coinbase, the number of open futures has passed 2.4 trillion Shib, which is about $26.78 million. A month ago, the number of open futures was only about $18 million. The rise in open interest shows that buyers are getting more and more interested in Shib. Early in February, the price of the Shib hit its annual high of $0.1591, which was $47.3 million. At the time of press, the price of a Shiba Inu was 1.83 cents. The Shib price is currently dealing in an ascending triangle, which is a continuation pattern. This was talked about on Newsman. The drop today to 1,064 cents. Shib has made a new high or low, so the rise is still going strong. By the end of April, we might know for sure if the bulls or the bears win. Shiba Inu futures have recently started to get buyers' attention. Interest recently went through the roof, reaching 2.4 trillion tokens or $27.51 million after a slow rise that began a month ago. This growing pattern suggests renewed interest, which makes people think prices will go up. Futures open interest is the number of open futures contracts that haven't been settled or closed out by a trade that cancels them out. In essence, it shows how many contracts are still open and being held by market players. When the open interest of an asset grows at an exponential rate, it usually means that a lot of new money is coming into the market and that traders are taking positions in anticipation of price changes. According to data from CoinGlass, a futures trading intelligence tool, Shiba's open interest has grown by more than 52 since March 13, when it was only worth $18.5 million. It is now worth $27.51 million in Shib coins, 2,400 billions. The chart shows that there is a link between Shib, open interest, and the price movement of the asset, as the price of the asset often goes up. When its OAI goes up, it makes more money. On February 5, its OAI went up to 3.2 trillion tokens, which is $47.3 million. This has caused the price of the Shib to rise to 15.27 cents on that day, which was the highest it had been all years. Shib Zoe, on the other hand, started going down after February 5, and the price of the asset started going down after it hit a low on March 13. The amount of the open interest is going up again. Investors think that the price of the item will follow suit. Since April 8, when it dropped to 1.58 trillion Shib, trade volume on Binance has also shown a rise in demand for Shib. Over the past 4 days, the number of Shiba Inus traded on Binance has slowly gone up every day. Volume for today is at 2.44 trillion tokens right now. Even though Shib isn't doing well right now, it wants to break out of a rising triangle it's stuck in during the long consolidation.